Good morning everyone. Today I am going to handle the 9th class physics. The topic is work, power and energy. In this work, power and energy, these three are related. Without the energy we can't do the work. The measurement of the work done is called as power. Now today we are going to deal with only the work. Before going to the topic work, we will see some examples where we will use the word work in our daily life. In our daily life, the work is having a different meaning, and according to physics, the work is having a different meaning. Now, I will show some examples where we will use the work in our daily life. Here, a lady, here the two girls are doing their homework. And we will go through one more example. Here, the man is polishing his shoes. A woman is washing her clothes. A girl is sweeping the floor. Here, a person is ironing the clothes. So, in all these cases, according to this, we will say that work is done. But according to science, I will say that in all these cases, we are not doing any work. Here, the girl is sitting and reading. Is there any displacement? Is the girl is moving here? She is sitting in the. Now, a person is carrying the load. There is no displacement in this example. In this case also we will say that the work is not done. Here, the person is doing the work in the laptop. He is not moving from his place. There is no motion. So, here, in this case, according to science, I will say that work is done. Why? Because he is moving some distance. And here, the boy is playing the football. He is kicking the ball. And a person is carrying the luggage to the train. In these three examples, I will say that according to physics, the work is not done. Why? Because there is no displacement in these three examples. Now, see these three examples here. In these three examples, I will say that work is done. So, according to science, the work is having a different meaning. If there is any displacement, if you apply the force, if there is any motion or displacement, then only we can say that work is done. Now, here one more example. A person is pushing the load of 10 kgs. In this case also, I will say that work is done. So, how much amount of force he is applying? 10 newtons at a distance of 5 meters. So, what is the work done formula now? Work done equal to force into displacement. How much force is applying? 10 newtons into how much distance it is moved? 5 meter. So 10 into 5, 50 newton meter. So what are the units of work? 50 newton per meter. In the next class we are going to study about the energy. Thank you.